Okay, this is the basic Brookstone helicopter. I got it at the mall yesterday at the Brookstone store, and pretty basic controls. Throttle right here, it's gyro, and it stabilizes it without you holding on. 360-degree turns, shoot button right here, and on switch. And when you plug this into the helicopter right here, this green light where it says charge under it, it'll be on, and when it turns off, it'll be ready to fly. And it takes about 15 minutes to charge, 15 to 30 minutes. And in the back, it takes 6 AA batteries. They don't come with it, but you can get them like anywhere at any store. And and there's A, B, C, and there's so you can have dog fights in the air with them, and you can have two piloting at the same time. And let's see it fly. Once you get used to it, it's kind of easy to fly, but when you first get it, it's a little hard. So, when I first got it, I was a little impatient, but after a couple days, you'll get pretty good at it, but I'm still learning it. It can fly this way, and like I said, hold on. Like I said, this shoot button shoots, and if these weights get bended, it happened a couple times to me, just bend them back, and it can do big turns, and it can go backwards and forward, and that's it. Thank you for watching my video.
Let's watch it.